Hey, BBQ Rando here. We got a evening unique Black Cat. Is it simply the best demo tonight? Safe and Sane City. Check this thing out. It's a little desert racer. Kind of old. I kind of got it as a throw-in. Long story, but I don't have enough time. But you can see here, Desert Racer 38. It originally must have had wheels. So the owner just kind of threw it in for me and said, listen, do you want it? I said, yeah. See here, check this thing out. All right, it's got the little caution. Emits flaming sparks. All right, so again, you could look around. You'll see everything here. Where is it? There we go. All right, pretty cool. I've been wanting to light this for a little while. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna put the other brick over here. We're going to come over and light this. I'm going to move its tail out, so let me get my lighter. You guys ready? I'm going to try to get on a couple of angles here, so hold on. Let's see what happens. Black Cat Raceway. Woo! Whoa! Sweet! Whoa! That was it. You know what? We didn't win the race, but we're going to say bye.